Let me use this medium to tell you guys Happy New Year. I guess this is my first, if I'm not mistaken, first video to be on YouTube as at today's date, 29th of January 2025. And I want to use the opportunity to thank you guys that have been my subscribers since last year that I started publish or sorry, I'm used to the word publishing. I started uploading videos on YouTube. You have been my support. You have been my let me say everything because without you, no nail can. And I thank you all. Please, please, and please kindly watch my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with families and friends so that this year, hopefully, with you guys, I'll be able to get monetized on YouTube. So, guys, without further ado, definitely there's this an arc. If you missed this arc last year, this 2025, don't miss it. Honestly speaking, don't miss it. I'm not here to like jam talk or waste much of your time. I just want to show you few of my new accounts, right? Not me per se. Like you know me by now. I manage account for people as well. I have my own personal account, but there's some crazy figure I was able to do last year, which that has ended with last year. Those accounts I won't show you anymore. Sorry about that. But the fresh new account I started managing, let's say starting from December to date, I want to show you guys how the accounts are going. And I'm here to teach nothing less than 100 people that will take that action how to do it for themselves. To start with, I'll start with the most shocking one. Even me, I was shocked when it happened to me, which is this particular account. As you can see, let's see. As I yesterday, the account make what's it called? Just $58. Just yesterday. As at this month, it has made 69. And guess what? Like I used to tell you guys, because I'm kind of someone that is I've been real to you guys. Let's see how many books we have in this account. Let's see when I started this account, and let's see the figure. So hopefully my network won't fuck me up today. So as you can see, I have just 3 books in this account. And remember, if you click on lifetime means the first day, the first book that went live in this account. Don't forget today's date is what? 29th of January. So let's scroll down. Take a look at this. 3 books. I started this account on the 25th, which was 4 days ago. And luckily for me, it happened once in a blue moon. All of us know when we publish our first set of book in a new account, it takes nothing less than 3 to 5 days to go live. But luckily for me, I published 3 books that same day, which was on 25. As at this, I finished publishing those books as at 12 or 1 p.m. that very day. That's 4 days ago. And luckily for me, the second and the third book, Kindle version, went live. Immediately that same day, as you can see, 25th, where's 25th? That same day, it has one sales. That same day, which is the Kindle version of the second book that went live that very day. And which since that day, the next day, which was on the 28th, no sales. But on the 27th, there was sales, one sales. As of yesterday, as you can see, I have nothing less than 10 sales only yesterday. Meaning these 3 books are, guess what, guys? For people that have been following me since last year or subscribe to my channel, you know I don't run ad when it comes to KDP. My goal is to teach people, encourage people that are struggling with Amazon KDP, that they don't have money, the money to run ad. People are using money to run ad, but Nelcon, for now, I've not used money to run ad on KDP before, even though I'm willing to try running ad this year. Maybe before June, July, I'll start running ad. Just create 1 or 2 books, then use ad to push it. Like, let's take, for instance, this book that is giving me this massive sale. Imagine I use ad to run it, to push the book. Definitely, the book will make crazy figure. Just 3 books. The account I started 4 days ago. As of today, I'm at 69 USD. The second account I'll show you is this is one of my personal account I started sometime last year. Like I used to tell you guys. As at this month, this account has made 189. And let's see the lifetime together so that I'll be able to break it down and explain. This account I created is for people that have viewed my WhatsApp status. I mentioned an update about Elon Musk. I said if you can write 100 books about Elon Musk, right, and see the magic. So I created this account immediately. I mentioned that stuff about Elon Musk. Let's see the month because I guess around November or so. So I created this account then for the sake of Elon Musk, right, which was November 25th. In the month of November, I wasn't too serious with the account. So take a look at this 2066 book at the moment. 20 I started the account on the 21st of November, right? That's the first day the first book went live. So let's see how much this account generated last month so that you'll be able to understand what I'm trying to say. So last month, because I wasn't serious with the account, I don't have many books in the account like that. Throughout last month, which was December, it's made just 23 USD, as you can see. So imagine what will happen between 25th, so the 21st of November till December, to last day of November. That means it doesn't even make nothing, not like too much. So now, let's come to this month alone because immediately I started this, I'm running a 90 days challenge at the moment, which today is the 28 days of the challenge. So I decided to use one in fresh new account for the challenge. But along the line, when I published like 18 books to that account, the book started getting blocked. I have to ignore the account, then move to this account I already have on ground. Right? So I take it serious. Let's say around, I can't even remember. Let me change this to charts bar or so I took this seriously around third or fifth. As you can see, there's no much sales throughout the month of November, but I took it serious and boom. Here you can see in a day I make 80 USD in a day here. 80 USD. So that's how I be able to focus on this my personal account because like I said, I'm running a 90 days challenge starting from January 1st to the last day of March. Do you get? So I decided to use this account for the 90 days challenge. As you can see, in January alone, it has generated almost 200 USD, which I know by next tomorrow, this account will hit the 200 USD. Very sure of that. I'm 100% sure of that. Then the next account I'd like to show you guys is one of my clients' accounts. This account, she messaged me few months ago that Nelcon, I need help. Do you get? I need to create an account. I need to make money on KDP, but I don't have the time. I said, okay, no wahala. As you can see, I've written 43 books. So let's check when I started this account. Remember, when you click on lifetime, the first book that went to this account, you'll see it there. So I started this account November 19. Yeah, I remember in that same month of November, I didn't make any sales because I started on the 19th. Because it was already closing to the end of the month, I just published one book so that I will activate the account. When I started publishing in December, the book will be going live almost immediately. And let's check together. In the month of November that I took the account serious, right, which was last month, the account generated, that's the first money this account generates that this person will be collecting in February, generated 197 USD. Like I said, I manage the account for people. If you need that service, send me a DM. I'll definitely answer you. So like I was saying, December alone, the account generated 197 USD. Convert that to any currency you are watching this from and know how much that is. And as at this month, as you can see, as at this month, today is still 29th of December, this account is already at 192, meaning it will cross 200 USD. That's accounts of 2 months old making almost $200 every month. Every blessed month. Every blessed month. And I guess I have second to the last account I want to show you guys. I'm not yet this account I started. This is the account I started my challenge with initially, the 90 days challenge. Yeah. So I was like I said, I wrote 18 books, then the 19 and the 20 books got blocked. I have to pause because something is happening which we don't know yet. I won't lie to you. As you can see, okay, let's click on lifetime for you to be sure of when I started managing this account. As you can see, these accounts, the first book went these accounts on the 2nd of January, right? Later I click 18 books. I couldn't publish new books into the account, though I'm trying to appeal as at today so that I'll be able to continue publishing books. They won't get it blocked because I did the first and the second, it got blocked almost immediately. Did you get? So even at the fact that I stopped publishing this account, the account still generates 59 USD, someone's salary. You get? If you're in Nigeria, you understand this very well. 59 USD, even though when I stop. Definitely, if I should just leave this account, generating nothing less than $50 every month till Jesus come. So far, the account is breathing. And the last but not the least is this account. Yeah. This account too, let's see. I same problem that happened to this account. This client got in touch with me in December. It's a client account, which I'll be creating another one for her, right? That she wants an account but she doesn't have the time. Though she's into KDP too, but she just wants Nelcon to work on something special for her because she has been to KDP for months. Do you get? So in this account, let's check the lifetime together. I remember it's in December. So this account started on the I started publishing this in this account on the 21st of December. As you can see, the first book went live on the 21st of November. So November the account and December rather sorry December that same month that between 21st and last day of December the account just generated only $6. I remember, if I'm not mistaken. Let me be sure. 6.69. But as at January here, with just 13 books that we have now, this month, it has generated 50 something. Do you get 50 something? And this kind of account depend on the kind of niche. There are some niche that I can publish. I want to wait for that immediate result in that same month. That will skyrocket. I know the kind of books to write on. Why some account that I know, okay, these are I want it to be strictly evergreen. I'm not after that immediate rush money. It's just coming one, building the account. Even when I stop writing, that's what happened to this account. These two account that got blocked book. I want them to be generating income. Even the one that will generate income, that crazy income now, there are books that evergreen, they'll keep generating money for me. So guys, without further ado, if you should notice, I've successfully navigated from 1 to 6 accounts on this same PC, this same network. And definitely, like I said, I'm running a 90 days challenge. Everything I know that can make you money in that same month. Hello, I'm not here to show you screenshots of what people that have joined the challenge. At the moment, I have over 70 people in the challenge that we're running the challenge together. And I believe some of them are watching this video now. Please, if you're in the challenge watching this video, drop in the comment section how the challenge has been to you guys. If I'm lying, please drop in the comment section. Let them know this guy Nelcon is a great liar. People have been seeing results. Don't worry, by 31st of this month, I'll record a new video based on the sales reports or what people are saying in the group. There are sales reports, which I'm 100% sure. I will have nothing less than 1, 2, or 3 people that have crossed over 100 USD with new accounts. I have to be honest with you guys. With new account, because most of us we started with a new account, but at the long run, we got some blog books. Amazon started with their blog book saga, this and that, but we are trying to just find a way to do it. And as you can see, everything is working. So without further ado, I want to use the opportunity that this same strategy I've been using to make sure any account I create start making money in the same month. I'm willing to teach you guys in the next 60 days. The first set of 90 days, which is 30 days, will be over by January. So starting from February 1st to the last day, you still have enough 60 days for you to join. Though I've closed the channel for you to join before because I advertised this 90 days in December. So I stop it, but now I want to open it back, which I've done my part to introduce you to the 60 days challenge starting from January 1st with just 10,000 naira. Everything you need to know how I've been able to generate this 1,000 USD in December, in the first 10 days of December, how you'll be able to see that you are working and you are seeing the result almost immediately that you are publishing your books. The way you saw it, book account that I started on the 25th and they make money that same day. The truth is, sometimes about KDP, the more you research, the more you write, the more you stay long, be consistent in KDP, you'll be able to know the kind of book to write now, and you'll be expecting sales in the let's say in the next 7 days, because you've tried different stuff. So I've tried different stuff since February last year to today. So that's how I'll be able to teach people. Like I said, I'm not here to share screenshots of people that are in the group or the people that joined the 90 days challenge. Go to my Instagram, right? Go to my Instagram. I post the sales report. If you can come to this my YouTube channel, just click on shorts. These short parts, I publish them one way or the other, as you can see. I publish it on these shorts too. I'll do the short video like $15 in a day, this and that. This is my December sales, $1,975 for December. Everything is in short here on my Instagram page or my Twitter, which is X handle. Check there. You'll be able to see what people are talking about. And if you're free, you want to join the last 60 days of the challenge, like I said, it's just 10,000 naira. There will be a link below this video. Click on it to take you to seller, make payment, it will direct you to my WhatsApp. You have my access to my WhatsApp number, then you are in. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. The sales app will be there. How to verify. If you want to verify and create a new account, the information are there for you. My special prompts I use in writing, the information are there for you. magical templates for your Kindle and paperback cover design. Everything is there for you, right? And I'm able to manage all these multiple accounts you are seeing there. I deliberately leave it for this 90 days challenge because I want to make sure millionaire are made from this challenge. So if you feel you need this, feel free to click the link below. My WhatsApp link will be there, the payments link will be there, and see you on the other side. Bye for now. And don't forget, guys, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget, please, because please, I'm begging, I want my channel to be monetized this year. And if you are not watching my videos, if you are not recommending my videos, if you are not sharing family and friends, I will not get monetized. At least if it's change, that will give me more zeal to keep getting more tools to teach you guys how Amazon KDP work. See you in the next video and bye for now.